Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by opening the Google form you want to change. Click the form title or the question description to activate the editor. This puts you right where links belong. Once the description box is active, make sure you're using the rich text toolbar. If you don't see formatting, click the three-dot menu and enable it. You're now ready to insert styled text and links. Next, highlight the text you want to turn into a link so you can embed it cleanly. With text highlighted, click the link icon in the toolbar. Paste the URL into the dialog and verify the display text reads exactly how you want users to see it. This keeps your form tidy and accessible. Once applied, test the link by opening the preview. Make sure it navigates correctly and, if desired, opens in a new tab for convenience. If the form's description strips formatting, use a question description instead, or re-enable rich text so links persist. Finish by previewing the entire form and clicking the link to confirm it reaches the right destination. This catches typos and redirect issues. If the link fails, reopen the description, paste the full https://address, then reapply the hyperlink. Partial URLs often fail. Once done, check mobile preview because some devices render descriptions differently. Adjust label length if it wraps badly. One key troubleshooting tip: clear cached form previews or try an incognito window to rule out browser caching, causing stale link behavior.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.